This ABC 15 flash briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
I'm Katie Rammel with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. This is where we stand as a state right now when it comes to coronavirus. 3,500 new positive tests reported overnight, bringing the total of Arizonans diagnosed with COVID-19 to almost 148,000. 134 deaths also reported. That is the second highest it's been, and the third time this month the reported number of deaths has been higher than 100. At the same time, though, we're seeing the number of coronavirus patients in our hospitals start to decline, providing some measure of relief for doctors and nurses out there who have just been fighting this pandemic for months. An internal email from one of our state's largest hospital systems showing dozens of employees have contracted coronavirus. The email from Honor Health revealing 34 staff members have tested positive. The company's leadership even cautious as they note they're, quote, seeing an encouraging downtrend in overall hospitalizations and a flattening in positivity rate. Currently, 141 of their 168 ICU beds are filled. Nearly 65% of ventilators are in use, and they're treating 314 COVID patients across their 5 medical facilities.
Again, look at time delay. So now we're in the window of seeing what happened after 4th of July. We're now kind of the 2 weeks out from there. Are we going to start seeing numbers go up?
According to that internal email, Honor Health hopes to resume elective surgeries after July 24th, but says it all depends on the current numbers. Since coronavirus started making headlines, the Federal Trade Commission says scams have been on the rise, costing Americans millions since January. Here's what the feds say you can do to avoid being a target of a few different scams. First of all, if somebody contacts you to tell you about the results of a COVID-19 test or that you might have been exposed, never give them your personal or financial information. By the way, you can sign up for these tests through azhealth.gov and don't buy any products that say they claim to prevent or cure coronavirus.
Tracking your most accurate forecast, I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens, and storm chances are ramping up this week. Let me show you the latest coming in on Futurecast tonight as we take you into tomorrow. It's looking mostly dry for the valley, but there will be a slight chance of an isolated shower here or there. Better chances out to the east and southeast. And then we head into Thursday, and that's when the monsoon could go boom. We are looking at storm chances in the afternoon, but more so in the late evening and overnight forecast going into Friday. So here's a look at tomorrow as we take you through your Valley Planner. 92 degrees at 8 a.m., 97 at 10, and a sizzling 107 in the afternoon. Mostly sunny skies throughout the day. Highs at 107 in Quartzsite and Yuma, too. And temperatures in the 80s along the rim, with Sedona at 95 and Prescott at 91. Now, there's your 7-day forecast. As storm chances ramp up, temperatures will drop. We're looking at low 100s for the end of the week and at least a slight chance for storms through the weekend.
For the latest headlines, weather, and traffic, visit abc15.com or download our free ABC 15 mobile app.
This ABC 15 flash briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.